No.
You see the gal in the dress.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cute. It's giving bottle girl purr.
Happy birthday to you.
I don't want you, babe, stop playing. Bring that thing my way, I'm saying. All of these dumb games you playing, and breaking down all the chains that you play.
Y'all got 10 seconds to guess what hairstyle I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. I'm doing faux locks, soft locks, faux locks, whatever.
2,000 years later.
Yo, it is 1:41. Y'all can't even see. In the morning. Y'all wanna know how mad I am? I bought the crochet locks, you know, with the intentions of crocheting it in and, you know, adding to, like, you know, cover it. That did not work. It's okay though. I'm not crying or anything. Okay, what's up guys? So I'm back again. Today is Thursday and it is 7:40 and I forgot to tell you guys, I'm on a completely different mission now. Now I am doing boho, like knotless braids. So I'm keeping the same kind of braid, but I'm adding these curls to it. So I went back to the beauty supply store. You know how they don't do like, give you your money back, you could do exchange. So I went, I got some of this hair, I exchanged all the locks. This hair looks so pretty though. I went, I got some of this. I got some more braiding here. I also got 2 products that I'm excited to try too. So I got Miele's or Miele's, whatever. Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin and encourage growth for daily use, scalp treatment, split, and care. So if you guys ever seen this, then y'all know what I'm talking about. But people say this is a really good oil for like your scalp and growing your hair and keeping strong hair. And I also got this She Is Balm Edge Control, fast drying edge control for relaxed and natural hair. So I'm excited to try both of these. And yeah, that's basically what I got from Beauty Supply. Update y'all, it is currently 10:15. I know you see that CLB, but this is what it's looking like right now. I'm almost done actually. Almost, it might be a drag. I got like 3 times 4. I got like 12 left. But this is what it's looking like, you know. It's real long, it's real curly. I like it so far. I feel so much better now because I feel like my hair's not gonna be ugly. Like, y'all was understanding, I was mad before. Like, I was tired. I did my dance one time on TikTok. I'm alright with it. What's up, y'all? Last night, it was a lot going on. You feel me? Today's Friday, October 15th. 3 days away from my birthday. I've been in Atlanta for like 2 years now. So you feel me? I'm from here now. You know what I'm saying? But no, my birthday is in. I just told y'all. What am I talking about? I just want to show y'all my hair. I couldn't really show y'all last night because I was tired. A lot was going on. But this is what it's looking like. I feel like, I don't know. It's like I like it. It's cute. But at times I don't like it. I don't know, it's weird. It's like, it depends on how it's styled. My room look crazy, so if y'all see anything in the back, ignore it. But let me flip it so y'all can see it in the mirror. So, this is my version of boho braids. My mirror is so crusty dusty, and I did them pretty long. But this is how it's looking. Okay, so guys, today is October 18th. It is my birthday, and right now I'm at like a class trip. We're touring Georgia Tech's Candida building. If you guys don't know, I'm an architecture major. You guys probably don't care, and you're probably wondering, why am I on a trip on my birthday? I am wondering that too, I'm not gonna lie, but that's what's happening, so yeah.
What's up? Out here. Hey. Out here learning about sustainability. Here, let's get Donovan. The loser.
He ain't learning the damn thing.
You lost at the 3rd round, right?
You definitely lost.
Yeah, how do you feel about losing saucy games?
Listen, I ain't talking about it.
It's behind you? It's in your past?
Yes.
Okay.
I remember when you were like, I'm a win.
You did say that.
Did you win though?
No, I was second place.
You know, eventually go away.
Oh, this is giving me like Cinderella, like
A Cinderella.
like I'm in a. It's like I'm in a fairy tale.
Yeah, do a picture. Do a picture. Here.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, guys, so that wraps up the tour of Georgia Tech. I really don't know how much.
My cloudy. Go ahead. My bad.
I really don't know how much I showed y'all, but I mean, it was interesting. And, you know, I learned a lot. I'm just hungry. I don't have class for the rest of the day. I mean, I do, but my teacher's not coming, so I don't. So that's kind of good. I need to clean my room. I don't know why I just told you that. Imagine it's my birthday and I'm touring Georgia Tech. Like, what is that about? Yo, so right now it is 7:06. I'm supposed to be leaving at 7:30. For those of you who don't know me, I don't wear makeup for real, but we gonna try something today. I learned how to do my eyebrows the other day, so I'm about to do that right now. I don't know nothing, so this is not a tutorial at all. But I just brush it. The people that know how to do this for real are gonna laugh at me. I just brush. Then you take this. But y'all, honestly, today I didn't do anything. I just went. I showed y'all my school had a trip. We went to Georgia Tech, and then yeah, I just came home. I had some Chipotle, thanks to my friend, and then that was it. I didn't even show y'all what the product is. It's a good thing it's not a tutorial because I would have failed. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil, and this is Espresso. Okay. Okay, guys, I know the last thing y'all seen was me getting ready, but I made it out here to Sugar Factory. It's right here, you feel me? You can see it. And low-key having a wardrobe malfunction. Not really though, but it's cute out here in the city or whatever. But oh my god, why is she smoking a cigarette like in my face, low-key? Say hi to Corey.
Yo, y'all showing me some love at String Keeps Popping on YouTube, bro. We got a podcast going. Yo, what's up, man? What's up?
You don't got nothing to promote? Your mixtape on SoundCloud? Tell them about it.
Mixtape, man, look. I ain't no rough. I wear this.
Where's my phone?
Peach
You have it?
Philly
Yeah, my phone.
Chase. Boot, damn. Glacier blue on the bottoms.
What you telling them?
Nothing. Yeah, that's fit, though, man. That's fit.
What are you telling them?
I don't know what to do.
Why do you hold the camera down there? You're supposed to hold it up.
On FaceTime, I always hold
Alright.
it like this. The scenery, check it out. Yeah. I ain't talking about nothing. Oh God on that. Get myself some clout. Ugly down, UGLE. Stepping. Ooh. Shout out my boy Elias. He got me right with these. Ooh. No, they
Guys, can you tell me I did my eyebrows? Do they look darker?
Anyway, back to what I was doing.
You didn't even answer.
Hang on. Ooh. Y'all see the smile.
My thing is, I just wanted him to say hi to y'all and then give it back.
Story time. I used to do YouTube back in
Really?
yeah,
I
back
didn't know
in 10th grade. Yeah, I was doing 2K videos. And my friend bullied me in front of the whole class, so I deleted my channel. So
Yeah. Oh,
it's crazy.
Birthday kid.
Tell him something.
She's finally grown. We can say that. Some type of grown.
Boy,
Hey.
I can't trust.
It's the birthday girl. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment,
Oh, gosh!
like, comment, subscribe, and run them numbers up for
Run it up. Oh, my Sarika in the building, yes, sir.
No, bro, let him
You see
know.
the gal in the dress.
Yeah. Not the gal. Everybody tell the camera why you love me. Tell my people why you love me.
I have no reason.
Alex.
I'm just playing. Mahari's a warm person. She brings the smile.
No, continue.
You bring the smiles to the group.
Okay.
You funny like me. You put in some jokes in there.
Okay, a little jokes in there.
Weave sticking out, but
Okay, what? I said tell them why you love me.
Oh, you gotta ask questions. Nah, I look. I mean, I really like you because
Not I'm tripping no more. Nah, for real.
nah, cause like
Why you appreciate me?
cause the whole let me borrow a charger, it turned into like a hour conversation on life. You know what I mean?
I asked them why do they appreciate me.
Who are you? Nah, I'm playing.
Who are you? Go crazy.
I appreciate you because
You are just who you are, bro.
Oh wow, that was so lame, but thank you.
Yo.
I asked him why do they appreciate me? Making all that damn noise. I said, why do you appreciate me?
Why do I appreciate you?
I started off saying love, but love go crazy. So we gonna simmer down.
I like how honest you are.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
I think that's pretty safe.
Safe?
Yeah.
Why safe?
Honestly, you know, go to a moon. Moon gotta say.
Okay.
All right, I appreciate you because you helped me a lot with my Moon Talks on my YouTube channel. You know, I come to you for the advice, and you always.
Okay. Prior to Moon Talks.
Huh?
Prior to Moon Talks, yeah. Y'all go check it out though. Oh wow. You see how they do?
I ain't gonna count. It was all cool, you know, freshman year. Still like family
Y'all gotta see
bond
him talking with his hands.
as like coming to college, so you know, that was cool.
Okay.
Yeah, I appreciate you for having that family, you know,
Okay. Charles said he want to go again. Now he see, yeah.
I want to go again too. Oh no, me and him together.
Okay.
Mahari. Okay, bro. Go first.
I appreciate you because you helped me creatively in my music and just you know, everything that I've done with my ideas and all of that. So
Okay. Thank you, Alexander.
He really touched my heart.
Oh my God.
No cap. You're a great person. The vibes with you is always there. The loving moments, you know, 5 for the vibe, you know.
5 for the vibe, for the vibe. Okay.
But nah, you cool, loving, really. I fuck with you.
All
I
right.
like your personality, man.
Thank you. It's my cousin, so he don't really count. You have no choice but to appreciate me. But look who's coming. Side, I'm just recording. Y'all gotta tell the people why y'all appreciate me. Oh my God, there's a video wall.
Okay, so
I'll go first. So this is my island girl.
Yes,
my
darling.
peoples.
Yes.
My lady,
Good.
my friend.
Yes.
You know, good backgrounds, good vibes.
Yes, sir.
She make the best Rasta pasta.
Okay,
we talking entrepreneurship. Right? Own handbag thing. You know, I have my Louis V, but
watch it. He had to flex on the people.
But the real luxury at the house.
And?
Right?
And?
That was, go ahead.
Concrete jungle.
Concrete jungle.
Yeah.
Bag in the car.
Okay.
I ain't bringing, but it's in the car.
It's in the core. Okay.
But first of all, we gotta hit him with the.
Nee. Water. Look at all that candy, though. Oh, you look like best buddies.
Yeah, I'm trying to see that camera.
Oh, good.
So guys, this is my biological sister.
Got the caps.
Don't we look alike? Look, let me show you on the menu. The drinks going on the back. They look good, right? Y'all can't really see for the drinks.
Oh yeah,
Hey you. Here drinks.
Yeah, I know.
Hey you. Go crazy, bro. Is this not like the cup you have like in your crib, bro?
Wanna bring it over?
This give me barbecue vibes. This not give me no like barbecue cup, bro. Y'all got glasses?
Want me to bring?
Get going.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I didn't even tell y'all. The drink is called Tropical Punch. What did it have inside of it? Pineapple? What was in it? Pineapple? So we got pineapple, peach, I think mango. It tastes good though. Tropical Punch. If y'all go to Sugar Factory, get it. Huh?
Enjoy. Oh, yes, sir.
Guys, this is so cute. It's giving bottle girl purr.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Mahari.
my gosh, they revving and everything. He got an easy kickoff though. So you cheated?
I took out too early. I took out a little. I thought you were finna go.
I was anticipating. I was like, I was gonna go like this, and then be like,
run it back.
Run it back. Not around 2.
Hey y'all, so this is currently October 23rd. It is Saturday. It is like several days after my birthday, but I'm sitting here editing and I realized I never closed off the vlog for you guys. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a birthday recap. So one, if you guys don't know, I turned 20 years old. My birthday was October 18th. I am a Libra gang. So I turned 20 years old. I went to Sugar Factory with my friends for my birthday. That's what you guys seen. And I'm sorry I didn't get to record as much. It was just like, one, there was a lot of music playing in the restaurant. And it was just like all over the place. But I try to, you know, record at some parts and like capture whatever I could. But one, I want to say, like my review on the food, like it was good. But I mean, the restaurant was just expensive. I feel like it's one of those restaurants you only go to like once in your life. Like, I'm not going back there. But the food was good. I really liked the ambiance of the restaurant though. Like the music, like it was very lively and stuff like that. So I really liked it in there. After we went to the restaurant, I couldn't even show you guys. It was just too much happening. The minute I stepped foot in my room, I changed my clothes. I didn't even get to show y'all my full outfit, but I'm gonna insert the pictures. Too, I forgot my nails that I even, like personal nails that I bought to put on. I forgot those, but it's whatever. It was a lot going on that day, but yeah. After the restaurant, we came back to my room and we played Uno. I learned how to play spades. Definitely won. That's crazy. But I played it for the first time, and then 2 of my friends were like racing their cars outside. I'll insert clips of that too. So yeah, we were just hanging out after, and yeah, that was pretty much my birthday. Pretty chill. I had a good time. I want to say thank you to everybody that wished me happy birthday. I want to say thank you to everybody that supports me, everybody that got me a card or gave me money or got me a gift. Heavy on shout out to Zariana because she got me some canvases, and y'all know I love to paint. So canvases are like, that's my thing right there. That's like you investing in my craft. Like I love that, and like some other stuff. But I really was thankful for that. Thank you, like I said, for everybody that sent me money. I know I love me some money, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was all over the place. If you guys have any video suggestions, make sure you guys comment that down below. That's really it. Thank you again to everybody that said happy birthday. Thank you to God for another year. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.